Hello everyone, it's Nootan and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to just tell you this. I had no time earlier so that I could make my videos because I was so much occupied with lot of household work. So that time I was not having a spare time for myself to make videos. So today I decided let's have a talk with you, let's talk to you. So let's get started. The thing is, when you are occupied with lot of work, how can you manage some time for yourself to do your work which you earlier trying to do and you have been doing? So the thing is, you need to just follow your passion. If you are passionate about your work, it could be anything. Like, I'm passionate to learn English, to have a good command over English language. I'm on this path, so I'm following some steps to learn English, and I have been so much authentic, so much real to you. Whatever I feel, whatever I am in the terms of learning English, I speak to you in a clear way, crystal clear way, that this is I am. Okay. And sometimes I don't get time, so I manage some time for myself to make videos. But this time I just wanted to tell you this. The fact is that I had decided that I should stop making videos, and this was the end of my videos. Why I was thinking so, I'm just going to tell you this. I'm telling you my experiences to you. And the thing is, when I was so much occupied with work, also the pressure, the responsibility on my shoulder that yes, I have to do this, as well as I was having the passion, the determination to speak English, to learn English more. I mean to say that I want to explore my English. I want to explore myself in learning English. And since I have already have spoken to you that whatever I am in the terms of learning English, whatever the stage I am, I already mentioned to you. And the thing is, when you are being occupied with a lot of household work or any sort of work, how to find that, how to figure out that that you have the passion or not. The passion is all about you feel like doing the same work again and you don't get bored of doing so. And whenever you get time, you do that work, and anyhow you manage time to do your work, to follow your passion. This is called passion and following your passion. So English and learning English is my passion. I'm so much enthusiastic towards this language. But sometimes, being a housewife, I have to do a lot of work as well as I'm following my passion. So sometimes I stop making my videos, and because the priorities of my life is something else, like taking care of my house, my my family, my kids, okay, and attending the guest, offering them snacks, all the things, okay. So this is the priorities, and I have to firstly do that, okay. And beside this there's a passion, my passion of speaking English, learning English, talking to you in front of this camera, putting my thoughts to you while I'm doing a lot of household work, but I make time for myself to do this. This is called passion. And when you feel like you are losing your passion, because I I have gone through this sort of feeling, like losing my passion and losing the determination, okay, in those hard time when I was not being able to make videos, I feel like I wish I would make my videos. Okay. So when you feel like losing your passion, you'll have to make your mind so much crystal clear, which is the thing is you have to just follow your passion and make some time for yourself, because if this is your passion, like speaking English is your passion, then somehow or anyhow you'll make some time for yourself to do this, like I'm doing this. I'm not really sure that in future I will be making videos. This time I make videos and speak to you in front of this camera, but in future I can't say. But yes, I'm not anticipating a lot of things, but yes, I'm very sure that right now I'm following this. Right now I'm so much consistent. Whether the situations are in not in my hands, in my control, but yes, I will try my best. And I think it's been 2 weeks and more than that, but uh, the so much subtle thing was going in my mind that how come I make videos in so much chaos? The chaos was nothing, just to take care of the family, the guests who were arriving at my place, because my father-in-law was not so good, and he had to undergo two operations. One, I think, no, two brain operations and one throat operation, and his condition was so much critical, and he has been admitted to the hospital for 20 days, and still he is in the hospital. And maybe 1 or 2 days later, there are chances that maybe he may come at home. So I'm just praying to God for his well-being, and trying to make each one of the family make happy and satisfied by offering food, taking care of them, washing their dirty clothes, making food for them 3 times. So these are my work. Despite of this, I'm being able to follow my passion, to talk to you, to put my thoughts to you. And rather, I'm making mistakes, and I earlier told you that this thing, that many times I make mistakes, and many times I do translation within my mind to talk to you. So it's not a big thing, and it's not a futile thing, I would say. It's a good thing. At least I'm trying. Being a housewife, I'm doing so, I'm following my passion. I think that's good enough for me. So the thing was, I was trying to tell you the passion, how can you emerge that passion? If the passion is speaking English, you may be surrounded with many negativity, many people's negativity, and you are so much occupied with a lot of household work or any other work. Since you have uh, the feeling of doing something else, like you feel like making videos, you feel like speaking in English with someone, or doing your speaking practicing, this is called your passion. And you'll have to decide it whether you are interested to follow your passion or not. I'm not very sure that in future I will be making my videos for a long time, for a long run. I'm not very sure of this. But yes, right now I am so much confident. Still I am confident. The the chaos was scattering all around. So far, I think I am doing so well. So this is this is my journey, and my path is so much straight to me, and the path is following my passion, speaking in English, putting my thoughts to you in front of this camera, and making some time and talking to you. This is so much interesting for me. Maybe this sort of things you find it beneficial, so you can get inspired by watching my videos. It's all up to you. So watch my videos if you find it good, or you can do the scrolling and move on. Okay, so this doesn't matter to me. The thing that does matter to me, which is I am very, very sure, I'm dead sure, I would say, that I have that capacity to talk, to put my thoughts at least in front of this camera, and I can talk in English. I'm having the command of English language. This is enough for me. So this is all I wanted to say. Just follow your passion, whether the situations are not in your control. Just follow. Just try to figure out what are the reasons and how can you overcome that. So it all up to you. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.